What's one of your biggest obstacles that you've faced on your journey to the top?
I think the biggest enemy of this business is life. Has anybody ever had life happen while they're, yeah. I can tell you all of us have. You know, we've been in the business 9.5, 10 years, what is it, 7, 8? And life has happened to all of us. We've had ups and downs, we've had family issues, crisis, we've had deaths, we've had babies, we've moved, I've had nursing hormones, like, it can be crazy. But one of the things that we've learned to do is to stay focused on what we want despite the outside ups and downs. Because you can't ride this business like a roller coaster, working it when you're hot and then dropping off for months, where you call that the bipolar distributor. Like, you can't do that. You have to stay focused and decide that whatever life throws at you, you are going to stay focused and plow through it. And I think that we've all learned to do that.